Lu Xun, 1881–1936, whose real name is Zhou Zhangshou, was a famous Chinese writer. He was born in Shaoxing, Zhejiang Province. 1. There is no path on the ground, it becomes a path as people walk on it. The Lu Xun, there is no path on the ground, it becomes a path as people walk on it, encapsulates a profound idea about the nature of creation and the power of human agency. This simple yet evocative statement serves as a springboard for understanding how paths, both literal and metaphorical, come into existence through human actions. On a literal level, the Lu Xun highlights that a path is not inherently present on the ground but is formed through repeated use. This physical creation of a path by walking signifies how continuous actions can shape the environment. Metaphorically, this idea extends to various aspects of life, suggesting that opportunities, careers, relationships, and life journeys do not pre-exist in a predetermined state. Instead, they are created and defined through the actions and decisions of individuals. The philosophical underpinnings of this statement are deeply rooted in existential and constructivist thought. Existentialism posits that existence precedes essence, meaning that things, including human lives, do not have a predetermined purpose but acquire meaning through existence and actions. Constructivism echoes this by asserting that reality is constructed through human activity. The Lu Xun suggests that life's paths and purposes are not waiting to be discovered but are actively constructed by those who tread upon them. From a social and cultural perspective, the idea that paths are created through walking reflects how traditions, norms, and customs evolve. Societal norms are not fixed but are shaped and reshaped by collective human behavior over time. This view acknowledges the dynamic nature of culture and society, emphasizing that they are continually being constructed and reconstructed by human actions. One of the most empowering aspects of this Lu Xun is its encouragement of initiative. It suggests that individuals should not passively wait for predefined paths to appear but should take proactive steps to create their own. This perspective fosters a sense of agency and responsibility, highlighting that through consistent and purposeful actions, new opportunities and realities can be forged. In essence, the Lu Xun, there is no path on the ground, it becomes a path as people walk on it, serves as a powerful reminder of the role of human agency in shaping the world. It emphasizes that paths, both literal and metaphorical, are created through actions and decisions. This notion inspires individuals to take charge of their lives, actively creating their paths and contributing to the ongoing construction of reality. Through this lens, the sentence encourages a proactive and dynamic approach to life, where meaning and opportunities are not discovered but created. 2. Freedom is not something that money can buy, but it can be sold for money. The Lu Xun, freedom is not something that money can buy, but it can be sold for money, presents a nuanced perspective on the relationship between freedom and money. It asserts that freedom, in its truest sense, cannot be purchased with money. This suggests that true freedom is an intrinsic quality or state of being that transcends financial transactions. Despite this, the second part of the sentence reveals a transactional nature where freedom can be surrendered or compromised for monetary gain. This implies that while freedom itself is not for sale, individuals can relinquish their freedom in exchange for financial benefits. The Lu Xun highlights the intrinsic value of freedom, suggesting it is a fundamental human right or condition that cannot be measured or acquired through economic power. It points to the idea that freedom is an inherent quality that goes beyond material wealth. At the same time, it underscores the concept of compromise and sacrifice. Individuals may find themselves relinquishing their freedom, autonomy, or principles in pursuit of financial security or wealth. This could refer to various scenarios, such as accepting restrictive job conditions, succumbing to oppressive regimes, or engaging in morally dubious activities for monetary rewards. Moreover, the Lu Xun can be interpreted as a critique of materialistic societies where financial success is often prioritized over personal freedom and integrity. It warns against the dangers of valuing money over one's autonomy and ethical standards. The notion of selling freedom for money raises moral and ethical questions about the extent to which individuals are willing to compromise their values and independence for financial gain. It challenges the reader to reflect on the true cost of such transactions and the long-term implications on personal and societal well-being. In a broader social context, the Lu Xun can be viewed as a commentary on economic inequality. It suggests that those in vulnerable economic positions might feel compelled to sacrifice their freedom to improve their financial situation, highlighting the power dynamics at play. Historically and politically, the Lu Xun resonates with instances where people's freedoms have been curtailed for economic reasons. Examples include indentured servitude, exploitative labor practices, and authoritarian regimes that use economic incentives or pressures to control populations. The Lu Xun encourages individuals to reflect on their own lives and consider the balance between financial aspirations and personal freedom. It prompts questions about what one is willing to give up for financial gain and whether the trade-off is worth it. On a societal level, it urges a re-examination of values and priorities, advocating for a society that values freedom and autonomy as much as, if not more than, financial success and material wealth. In summary, the Lu Xun, freedom is not something that money can buy, but it can be sold for money, provides a thought-provoking commentary on the intrinsic value of freedom, the potential for its compromise in the pursuit of wealth, and the ethical and societal implications of such transactions. It serves as a reminder of the delicate balance between maintaining one's freedom and navigating the economic realities of life. 3. Time is life. Wasting someone else's time without reason is essentially no different from robbery and murder. The Lu Xun, time is life. Wasting someone else's time without reason is essentially no different from robbery and murder. Presents a stark and provocative perspective on the value of time and the ethics of wasting it. It asserts that time is intrinsically linked to life itself, emphasizing that time is a finite and irreplaceable resource that constitutes our existence. Every moment spent is a moment of life lived, making time a fundamental component of life. By comparing the act of wasting someone's time to robbery and murder, the Lu Xun deliberately emphasizes the severity of the act. Robbery involves taking someone's possessions without consent, and murder involves taking someone's life. By equating these with wasting time, the sentence suggests that time is as valuable as material possessions and life itself. Philosophically, the Lu Xun underscores the immense value of time, positing that it is one of the most precious assets a person possesses. Since life is composed of time, wasting it is akin to diminishing one's existence. It also raises ethical considerations, challenging readers to consider how they use and impact others' time. It implies a responsibility to respect others' time as one would respect their property and life. In modern society, where efficiency and productivity are highly valued, the waste of time is often seen as a significant loss. The Lu Xun reflects contemporary concerns about time management and the ethical use of others' time. It can also be seen as a critique of situations where people in positions of power or authority waste the time of those with less power, such as in bureaucratic inefficiencies, corporate practices, or personal relationships. The Lu Xun advocates for a deep respect for others' time, equating it with respect for their lives. This perspective encourages mindfulness and consideration in interactions and responsibilities involving others. Wasting someone's time can affect their well-being, productivity, and quality of life. By framing it in terms of robbery and murder, the Lu Xun emphasizes the potential harm and disrespect involved. It invites individuals to reflect on how they use their own time and how they might be affecting others' time, promoting a more conscientious and ethical approach to time management and interpersonal interactions. On a broader level, it calls for a societal shift in how time is valued and respected, suggesting that greater awareness and respect for time can lead to more ethical and considerate social practices. In essence, the Lu Xun serves as a powerful reminder of the profound value of time and the ethical implications of wasting it. By equating the waste of time with severe crimes like robbery and murder, it underscores the importance of respecting others' time as a fundamental aspect of respecting their lives. This perspective encourages a more mindful, ethical, and respectful approach to time management in both personal and social contexts. 4. On the road to success, there are no footprints of the lazy. The Lu Xun, On the Road to Success, There Are No Footprints of the Lazy, conveys a clear message about the relationship between hard work and success. It suggests that success requires active effort and that lazy individuals, who do not put in the necessary work, do not make progress on the path to success. The road to success is a metaphor for the journey one takes to achieve their goals, while footprints represent the tangible efforts and actions taken along this journey. The absence of lazy people's footprints implies that laziness is incompatible with achieving success. This underscores the importance of a strong work ethic, implying that success is earned through diligent effort and perseverance. Laziness, characterized by a lack of effort and initiative, is portrayed as a barrier to success. The Lu Xun also highlights the concept of personal responsibility, suggesting that individuals are accountable for their achievements based on their willingness to work hard. Culturally, many societies celebrate hard work and perseverance as virtues, and the Lu Xun aligns with these cultural narratives that valorize effort and view success as a merit-based outcome. It criticizes laziness, reflecting societal attitudes that often stigmatize laziness and emphasize productivity. Serving as a motivational statement, the Lu Xun encourages individuals to avoid laziness and to work diligently towards their goals, inspiring a proactive and determined attitude. By implying that success is achievable through effort, it inspires individuals to aspire to success and to believe that their efforts will be rewarded. Psychologically, the Lu Xun reinforces the idea of self-efficacy, the belief in one's ability to achieve goals through effort. It suggests that individuals have the power to influence their success through their actions. It promotes a growth mindset, which views effort and perseverance as key factors in achieving success, contrasting with a fixed mindset that might attribute success to innate talent or luck. Overall, the Lu Xun, On the Road to Success, There Are No Footprints of the Lazy, effectively communicates that hard work and active effort are essential for achieving success. It underscores the importance of a strong work ethic and personal responsibility while critiquing laziness as incompatible with progress. Promoting a growth mindset and the belief in self-efficacy, it inspires a proactive and determined approach to the pursuit of success, aligning with cultural values that celebrate effort and productivity.